Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna burgers. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, about 5 ounces each, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like a pinch of salt and pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a medium bowl, flake your well-drained tuna. Add the large egg and the 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. This is also the perfect time to mix in any extra flavors you love, like a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley or a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix everything until it just comes together. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to form the patties. Divide the mixture into 4 equal parts. Gently shape each part into a patty, aiming for about 1 inch thick. Heat a skillet over medium heat with a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook each tuna burger for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and heated through. Your delicious tuna burgers are now ready to enjoy. Serve them on toasted buns with your favorite toppings, like crisp lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, or a dollop of tartar sauce. They also pair wonderfully with a fresh green salad or some baked potato wedges. These quick and easy burgers are a fantastic meal option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.